Most people think you need money or special skills to make your first $100 online. The truth is, anyone can do it. And in this video, I'll show you 3 simple methods that work in 2025. Method 1 is freelancing. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork let you offer services to clients worldwide. You don't need advanced skills. Beginners start with things like data entry, transcription, or simple graphic design. Method 2 is affiliate marketing. You recommend digital products and earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. Method 3 is selling digital products. With free tools like Canva, you can create ebooks, planners, or templates and sell them on marketplaces like Etsy or Gumroad. To recap, freelancing pays you quickly, affiliate marketing gives higher commissions, and digital products create passive income. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button right now. I post daily videos teaching you real ways to make money online, step by step. Amen Digital Cash Flow. Easy ways to make money online in 2025.